Hello Andarki, welcome back to our YouTube channel Rhythm and Routine, and welcome to yet another new vlog. ఈరోజు నేను చాలా excited for this episode, and it is a collection vlog. Okay, so now you guess what I'm going to show, what collection I'm going to share. Nose pin, makeup, jewelry వద్దు. సో ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో నాకు బ్యాగ్ కలెక్షన్. సో ఇది నా బ్యాగ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ మై ఫేవరెట్ బచ్పన్ సే. ఓకే, and I would give this credit to my mom asala, because indukante my mom used to buy a lot of bags for me जब मैं छोटी थी तब से. वो मिकी प्रिंटेड, देन फैंसी small bags with a lime on top of it, and chala cute design she used to bring it for me. And as gradually मैं बड़ी होती गई तो थोड़ा वो obviously the style also changed, and that is how I got this habit of having different kind of bags, all thanks to my mom. And I am really fond of collecting bags and mata. I'm not kidding. I have this whatever collection I'm going to show iroju, it is a small collection, but I have lot of bags back in my hometown in Calcutta also. So idi na ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్ నేను బ్యాగ్ కలెక్షన్ చూపిస్తాను మీరు అందరికీ. ఓకేనా, స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. హలో అందరికీ. సో ఈరోజు నేను పెంచుకుంటున్న ఒకటి స్పెషల్ ప్రోడక్ట్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆగారో. ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఆగారో ఎలిట్ సాలడ్ స్పిన్నర్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ స్టోరేజ్ ఆఫ్ 5 liters, and let us unbox this together now. Okay, so idina comes with a manual. So how to use, how you can maintain the product and everything, and what are all the usage. So everything you will get in this user manual. Okay na? Next, let us take this beautiful thing outside the box. So here is how it looks like. So first okati that comes in this box is this 5-liter capacity vessel, and it is a very good quality anmata, and it has this rubber grip in the bottom so that when you use it, it doesn't move and it stays firm on the surface wherever you are using it. Second, tarvata we have this second bowl where you can wash your vegetables and fruits and everything over here. And then the main part is this lid. It is the main part only. The whole mechanism is in this lid for the salad spinner. Okay, now let us see and use it and check how it works. So nenu iroju craving for some gobi, so I have chopped some gobis over here. So isko transfer karenge isme, and we will wash it first. Okay, so wash tarvata I have washed the cauliflower. Now I'm going to keep it in this vessel. Okay na? Cover it with a lid. So ikare you have this rotating button, and then with this you can stop anytime when you feel like. Okay na? Now let's use it. Then you stop, and churu, so much of excess water already that has been collected. See, now we're going to drain this excess water. Okay na? See, churu, so much of excess water. And now my gobis are also dry. See, chala bounty product asala. All the cauliflower, all the excess water has been washed off. Ipuru, we will also try the same technique washing kutumir. Okay na? Let's go and check it out. So ಈ puruna ಈ bunch, I'm going to put it over here, and then again I'll wash this, okay, and put it in the vessel. Full dry asala. Oh my god, the result is unreal. It is not even sticking in the hand, so it means the whole Kuthmer bunch has been completely dried up. Wow. Chalo. Full fresh Kuthmer, washed and dried. You can also store it in the refrigerator, all your vegetables after you wash them. Also here on top of the lid you have this space for removing the excess water. You can drain the excess water using this also. Okay na? And idi na chala easy to clean also. Okay na? So ఇది Agaro Elite Salad Spinner చాలా మంచిగా product and daily use కోసం completely helpful and handy, and also it makes your work very easy, especially with fruits and vegetables anamata. You can wash them and the excess water goes out. Otherwise ये कुथमेर ये it stick हो जाता है हाथ में after you wash them. But to avoid that, this product చాలా useful. Highly recommend. If you also want this product, Miru Andarki, if you want this product, I will mention the link in the description box below. Do check it out. Okay na? First, నేను చూపిస్తాను my most used bag anamata, and it is a tote bag, and I personally love tote bags. It is నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం, బాగా నచ్చింది this tote bags, because you can keep lot of things in one place, and it is easy to carry and lot of space also you get, and also you get fancy tote bags. Okay, so this is the one that I've been using for the last I think 3 years हो गया, 3 साल हो गया ये बैग मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and it is very nice, very handy and sturdy. Okay, let me tell you, when I'm traveling all the time, I carry everything in this bag, be it my tripod, my chargers, my medicines, my everything, makeup, skincare, kuch small things, everything I carry in this bag, and it looks also very good. See? Nice kada. I think nenu ee bag I brought from Accessorize. So it is made of cloth, like it is a kapre ka hi hai, but of a very firm texture. So very nice. I love this bag. Tarvata I want to show you this Afghani bag which has a very heavy work. Churu. Okay, and this is how it looks in the bag. So in the front you can see lot of work with beads, with shells, and also this is Abbai's favorite bag, and he wants me to use it everywhere, but I don't use it everywhere. Shell gir gaya to?
Brilliant variations, you know.
No, but yeah, I love this bag. E-bag mom had gifted me I think 4 or 5 years back. So I really love this color, and every time I carry this I turn heads. Okay, not kidding. So this is also one of my favorite bag. See how beautiful the tassels are over here. Very nice and rustic it looks. Okay, and next in the tote bag I also have this one. It is a jute bag with a mirror work over here, and this was also from one of the Instagram store, I believe. I like the color of it. It has that nude pastel color, which you know can complement with any kind of color of dress you wear. So very nice. Edina, next is this nice dark green color structured bag, as you can see, and it's one of those statement bags which you can use and looks very nice, and it is lightweight, and it has a single handle like this. It has a nice snake print also all over the bag, both on the handle and on the body. It doesn't have a chain, so it just has a button over here like this. Like this, it has a button over here. But I really love the color of this bag. Ipuruna, I am going to share my sling bags, and if you see my collection, you will see most of the bags are in brown color, because honestly, naku tan color chala ishtam in bags. So first one is this sling bag. So this one I use on like say I'm going to run errands or कुछ खरीदने के लिए जा रहे बाजार जा रहे तब मैं ये bag use करती हूँ, and it has a very nice print sling over here, as you can see, in color blue, and it goes really well with the tan color. Okay, and next I have this double layered sling bag. And this bag, I remember I got it from Sarojini Nagar, Delhi, and because I really like this small thing over here, attachment like to keep your coins, and then this double layered space over here also, it's very interesting, and it's usually we call this a crossbody bag. So you carry it like this, looks very interesting and nice. And it is not an actual MK, okay, it's a fake MK, but I just love the color of the bag, so I got it. And Sarojini Nagar really has such great collections. I really wish like there were places like Sarojini Nagar in Hyderabad or in Calcutta, but we don't have, you have to go to Delhi. Next, another brown color, okay, sling bag. This is the one. So Idi special because Abbai gifted this bag. I remember we went to Bangalore, and then he bought me this bag, and very nice. I use this a lot. I use this, and also it has this crossbody sling, and I don't know, but it comes with a two more attachments. One is a longer one and one is a shorter one, which you can just keep it like this. Okay, so this is also one of my favorite sling bag, which is also in the color brown. No surprise. So I love brown when it comes to bag. So Malli Ipuru Inkoka brown bag. Malli Ipuru Inkoka brown bag. Malli Ipuru Inkoka brown bag. Malli Upuru unko ka brown bag. Is in a shell. Okay, so see, all are different only. Abbai was saying that day ki if you are buying bags, you are not going to buy brown color in bags, but andar ki churandi, not andar ki churandi, andar ki chappandi. Brown is a universal color in bags. Kada? Tell me in the comment section, okay? Please, I need support over here. This bag chala special because Abbai had gifted me this for the first time when he had come down to Calcutta before marriage and Mata, and this is how it looks. A very nice steel blue, and the best part of this bag is it has a magnetic opening and closing like this. Chala cute kada, and it has a lot of space inside considering it's a shoulder bag, but I really love this magnet part over here. Thank you, bye. I really love this bag. He got me this bag in the year 2023. 2023, 2022, Abbai? 2022 Abbai got me this bag for the first time. First gift from Abbai.
ఏమిరా బాలరాజు, ఏమిరా ఉపయోగం దేశానికి?
ఇప్పుడు నా నెక్స్ట్ కలెక్షన్ కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ దిస్ స్మాల్ very cute small sling bag which is in my another favorite color which is black, and this has a very nice embellishment with gold over here on the sides also like this, and then it has a nice sling, long sling, and the best part is this whole texture is in velvet, so it feels also good, and it is very very fashionable. I love this bag. It is quite old, I think 5 years old this bag is. And then I have this another nice portly bag like this, as you can see, which is in the combination of red and gold. So this bag mom, I remember she got it from Lucknow. She was traveling there for work, I think that is the time when she got this bag for me. I love this color. It is such a universal color and it goes with most of our traditional and ethnic wear. So chala nice. And then idu churu, this is a bag with a very nice gold embellishment all over it. This was a gift from a friend of mine, and also it is special because I used it on the day of my reception. Abba, you remember?
చేసే మూడు ఉత్సాహం సర్వనాశనం అయిపోతాయి.
So this is another clutch bag. This is from the brand called Holy. Very very old again. This was my mom's, actually I stole it from her, okay? Don't tell her. Okay? So this is a very nice traditional print all over it. In between there's a snake print, and then here there is nice kolka kind of a design. So chala nice, and in a good combination of mute green and maroon. Tarvata I have bags portlies like this. So quite a few. Okati, rendu, muru, Inka Telugu numbers, Inka Telugu numbers, Inka Telugu numbers, Inka Telugu numbers. I మర్చిపోయా, టూ మచ్ మర్చిపోయి ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై.
వెతకాలి, వెతుకు వెతుకు వెతికితే దొరకందంటూ ఏదీ లేదు.
Now I want to show one more bag that Abhay gifted me on my birthday last year, which is again my favorite color, black. It is a very nice textured sling bag, shoulder bag, and you can also increase the length, and then also again you can use it like this also. Okay, very very nice, lot of space. Also on the back side it has a zip like this. On the back side it has a zip, and in the front there's a buttons, and inside also there is a zip over here and two departments over here. Okay, two divisions inside. So very very spacious, I must say, considering it's a sling bag. Okay, I love this bag. So thank you Abhay. Abhay, this birthday also please give me a nice bag. Abhay. So again one more bag that I recently bought from Haridwar when I had gone this year for my work. So this is the bag. Very quirky, and I love the color combination and the shape also. And then you can shorten the length like this and use it like a crossbody bag also. And my both the sister-in-law Anudidi and Mithu Didi, they also know naku bag chala ishtam, baga nachindi. So they also got me this two bags from US. One is in brown and one is this bright purple color. Chala nice kada. నేను చాలా బ్యాగ్స్ చూపించాను కదా, మీరు చెప్పండి విచ్ వన్ వాజ్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఇన్ ద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ బిలో. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద వీడియో. మన రిథమ్ అండ్ రొటీన్ ఛానల్కి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కన ఒక బెల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలా నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తాయి. బాబాయ్ అందరికీ.